Keep track of important to-dos and assign them to the right agent using tasks. Tasks may be automatically created by AI agents or other automations, or manually created by human agents. Agents can view and create tasks right from the customer timeline. Tasks can include things like follow-up calls, approvals, escalations, processing a return, and so on. Agents can also be assigned tasks via routing settings to automate the distribution of tasks. Configuring tasks is simple. You start by either installing the Tasks app for a quick out-of-the-box template or by creating a custom class. You'd then define the attributes of the task, such as a due date, order ID, reservation number, travel date, and so on. You'll design how you want the task to appear on the timeline and insight card, the form agents will fill out when creating a new task, and set notifications. Let's walk through an example of creating a custom task. Let's name our new task Follow-up Calls. Next, I'll add the attributes I need, starting with a due date. Then, we can build the timeline layout showing the information most important for agents to see. Drag the attributes and components into the layout, preview, and save. Repeat the steps to customize an insight card. When a task is being created, consider the information you'd need agents to fill out. Add the form and edit like you did in the previous steps. For example, I'm going to make sure that I add the due date field here. Next, add a notification. I'm going to set a reminder based on due dates because I want my agents to have a 2-hour reminder beforehand. I can customize the criteria if needed, and then choose who will receive the notification. I'm just going to send this one to the assigned user. Finally, I'll write the text of the notification. With that complete, your task is ready to use. You may choose to route tasks as you do conversations to automatically assign tasks to the best and most available agent. Returning back to the Attributes tab, I'm going to allow this task to be routed. Then, I must go create a queue rule. Without a queue rule, a task will not be routed. From here, build routing settings as you would for conversations. If you already have queues configured, and you know which queue you want this task to go into, you only need to create a new queue rule. But you may also choose to create new queues if needed. I'm going to create a new queue rule called Follow-up Calls, and choose my new task class from the dropdown. Add your desired conditions and choose the desired queue. Remember that tasks will count towards agent capacity in the same way as conversations. For more information about tasks or routing, check out Kustomer University and the Customer Help Center.